Savvy Search is a sneak that combines multiple sources of information that you need to run your business, along with artificial intelligence to bring insights and actions together into a single search interface. Silky Kadawat and her team created this idea to help simplify getting access to business insights and intelligence and to improve the workflow of actions for teams. This technology could be incorporated into the central navigation across Experience Cloud or possibly within any Adobe application. Let's have a look as Silky takes us through the concept.
Hello everyone, I'm Silky Kadawat. Nice to meet you and thank you for joining me today. All of us work with various different teams, people and applications to be successful at our work. Now, as you look at your day, what are some of the questions relevant to your work that you need answers to on a regular basis? Well, I can assume those to be something like, what are my tasks for today? How's my last completed task performing? Who are the people waiting for my approvals? And so on. Now, wouldn't it be nice if you just have one tool available where you could have asked all these questions and have the answers at your fingertips? Yes, that would be amazing. Now, my life as a marketer is exactly like this, looking for answers all around when I'm running multiple global campaigns to increase the success of my company. Look at this. During my day, I have all these different applications open just to get the right information to continue my work. Now, let me show you and introduce you to something that will make my life much easier. It's Project Savvy Search. Savvy Search gets me instant answers for all my questions on one single interface available to me on every screen of Experience Cloud just a click away. Let me show you how Savvy Search helps a marketer in his daily life. Example, during the launch of a brand new campaign. So for the next campaign, we are doing a launch of new line of sunglasses for our VIP customers. These are the amazing sunglasses we have for them. So currently I'm working on a very different campaign, but let's see the journey that our customers will go through for the sunglasses campaign. Instead of opening a new window, I just come to Savvy Search and write my question. Here we go. I really want to see the journey sunglasses launch for VIP buyers, so I click here. Great. So here, to kick off the journey, the VIP buyers will receive an email about this exclusive launch for sunglasses. From there, they can go to a website which we can personalize based on users' past behaviors and their preferences. If they show an interest, we can send them an offer on their mobile, example, a chance to meet and greet a celebrity. And finally, they can put sunglasses into the cart and check out. So here we access the whole journey and it was just a click away. Simply awesome. Now, let's move 1 month ahead and see how's this journey performing. Again, instead of opening multiple reporting dashboards, I again come to Savvy Search and write my question. Here we go. I really want to see how's this journey sunglasses launch for VIP buyers performing, so I click here. I see all the people who are passing through each stage of the journey. This journey is performing pretty well, but there are a lot of people who are putting sunglasses into the cart, but they are not finally checking out. They are dropping here. Does this sound familiar to you? How many times have you put products into the cart but do not check out? Quite frequently, right? Yes. Now, but for these customers, let's try that we do not lose these potential customers. And for that, I really want to do an A/B test. With an A/B test, I will be able to test different options of our checkout page. Example, I can show a free shipping code to half of the customers and to the other half, I can share a discount code and see which one is performing better and increasing our sales. So currently I'm on the journey editor page where I can edit this journey, but I really need some help on how to do that while this journey is already live. Again, I come to Savvy Search for help and write my question. How to do an A/B test for this journey? Yes, here we go. I do not want to validate, but really want to do an A/B test. In one click, Savvy Search gives me all the help documents which I can read and watch right here in the same window without opening any other environment. The A/B test showed us that free shipping is the way to go, and my team is so excited that they have asked me to launch this campaign globally. Now, what are some of the challenges which you face when you have to do approvals for a new product launch? Well, for me, the big problem is my team members across the globe are waiting for my approvals and they're just stuck in proceeding into their work. So let's check my today's pending request together. Again, I come to Savvy Search and write my question. What are my requests for today? And here we go. I really want to see my pending request. I click here. Awesome. I see my Indian team is ready to launch the sunglasses campaign in India. Let me check the details later. And my Dutch colleagues are asking me to share some creative content for a very different campaign, which I can approve straight away. This is the brilliance of Savvy Search. I do not have to open an approval window separately per country or campaign, but have all the requests together at one single interface that I can approve or reject straight away. And did you notice? Savvy Search was continuously recommending me some questions based on my context or the ones which I ask most frequently. How cool is that? Did you notice? Initially, I had all those different applications and tabs opened. And now I just have one tool available where I can ask all the questions and have the answers at my fingertips. So here we see how Savvy Search gets me all the right information, insights, and recommendations on one single interface available to me on every screen of Experience Cloud. I totally love this, and if you love it as much as I do, please vote for #SavvySearch to see this in our future releases. Thank you.
Thank you, Silky. You and your team have definitely created a technology that seems like it would streamline workflows and help leaders and their teams be more efficient. I hope that it makes it into product soon.